All right, traders, pay close attention to this one because XPIN coin just did exactly what we predicted in our last analysis, and the next move forming on the 1 hour time frame could be another massive opportunity if you stay patient and wait for confirmation. So as you can see, we are right now on XPIN coin, and this analysis is based on the 1 hour time frame. If you missed our previous analysis, make sure to check the link in the comment section, because what's happening right now is a perfect continuation of what we talked about earlier. In that last analysis, I mentioned that if XPIN didn't respect this trend line and instead broke it, then we should wait for a retest and look for a sell setup from there to down. And just as expected, that's exactly what happened. Price broke the trend line, came back to retest it beautifully, and then gave us a massive sell all the way from that retest zone down to the lower level. So if you followed that setup with patience and confirmation, you should have been in profit on that move. Now let's focus on the current market condition. If you observe closely, XPIN coin is still in a clear downtrend direction, forming a consistent series of lower highs and lower lows. However, there's something interesting happening here. The previous resistance level that once acted as a strong rejection zone has now been broken, turning it into a potential support level, as you can see in the chart. So here's my plan. If the price comes back to this new support zone around 0.003 and gives us a bullish candlestick confirmation, then we can look for a buy setup from there to up, targeting the next resistance level. But if the price does not respect this support level and instead breaks below it, that will mean that sellers have regained control. In that case, I'll patiently wait for a retest around the same level, 0.003, and look for a bearish candlestick confirmation to continue selling from there to down. Always remember, the market rewards patience, not emotions. Don't chase the candles or jump in too early. Wait for confirmation, because one confirmed setup is worth more than 5 rushed entries. So, in summary, XPIN coin was in a strong downtrend, and after breaking the previous resistance, it's now showing signs of a possible reversal. If the price respects this new support around 0.003, we'll look for a buy setup from there to up. But if it breaks below that level, we'll wait for the retest and continue with a sell setup from there to down. That's all for XPIN coin on the 1 hour time frame. Now tell me in the comments, do you think buyers will hold this new support zone, or will sellers take over again? And don't forget to name the next coin you want me to analyze. Until then, stay sharp, and I will see you in the next video.